In this lesson, I'll show you how to calculate interim dividend. So it is a part of limited company account. So many of you are confused when you try to answer this type of question in your exam. Okay, but it is simple if you understand the question. Okay, so here we have a question. We have taken this question from Cambridge A-Level Accounting first paper. Okay, so what is written here? P Limited Statement of Financial Position at 28 February 2021 included the following. Okay, so what we have here? So here we have issued capital $450,000. Then we have here share premium $122,000. Then we have here retained earnings. Okay, it is $342,000. Okay, now here we have an adjustment. On 31st August 2021, the directors paid an interim dividend of $0.05 per share. Okay, so here now we need to calculate our interim dividend. Okay, so here we see the per share interim dividend is $0.05. Okay, but here in the question we don't have number of shares. Okay, so first of all we need to calculate the total shares. Okay, ordinary shares. Then on these ordinary shares we will calculate interim dividend. Okay, so how to calculate ordinary shares? Simple. So first of all we need to write number of shares equal to issued capital times price per share. Okay, so here we have issued capital. Okay, so here we see issued capital is $450,000. so let us write here $450,000. Okay, then we have price per share. So here it is written that price per share is $0.50. Okay, so we will write here $0.50. Okay, now if we multiply this, we get here 900,000 what dollar? No, here it is not dollar. We calculated here number of shares. Okay, so we got here 900,000 shares. Okay, now what to do? Now we will calculate interim dividend. Okay, so here in the question we have interim dividend. So per share interim dividend is $0.05. Okay, so we will multiply this by number of share. Okay, so here we will write interim dividend equal to number of shares times dividend per share. Okay, so here we have number of shares. We calculated, we got 900,000 shares. So let us write here 900,000 multiplied by dividend per share. So here dividend per share $0.05. So we will write here 0.05. Okay, so now if we multiply this by this, we get here $45,000. Okay, so this is our interim dividend. So this is very simple, but you need to know how to calculate the number of shares first. So next tutorial I'll show you how to journalize. Okay, how to journalize when business issue bonus share. Okay, so it is a quick lesson. I hope you enjoyed, you understood. See you with new video. Until then, bye bye and take care.